Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Intermediate Level Quiz. Choose the correct conjunction. She is both a doctor, blank a scientist, and, but, or. And. She is both a doctor and a scientist. What is the correct form of the verb? We blank the game yesterday. Win. Won. Winning. Won. We won the game yesterday. Identify the preposition in the sentence. The book is on the shelf. The is on. What is the correct form of to be in the future continuous tense? They blank traveling tomorrow. Am, is, will be. Will be. They will be traveling tomorrow. What is the correct comparative form of late? Later, latest, laterer. Later. What is the correct form of the verb? I blank my phone at home. Forget, forgot, forgetted. Forgot. I forgot my phone at home. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The car is red. Car is red. Red. What is the correct comparative form of interesting? More interesting. Interestinger. Interestingest. More interesting. Choose the correct modal verb. You blank attend the meeting if you want. Can, must, shall. Can. You can attend the meeting if you want. Identify the subject pronoun in the sentence. They arrived late. They arrived late. They. What is the correct form of the verb? She blank the news on TV. Is watching, are watching, is watched. Is watching. She is watching the news on TV. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is scared blank thunder. From, of, with. Of. The cat is scared of thunder. What is the correct superlative form of quick? Quicker. Quickest. More quick. Quickest. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She speaks English fluently. She speaks fluently. Fluently. What is the plural form of person? Peoples, people, persons. people. Choose the correct conjunction. I want neither coffee blank tea, nor, or, and, nor. I want neither coffee nor tea. What is the correct past tense of freeze? Froze, freezed, frozed, froze. Identify the gerund in the sentence. Reading is a great hobby. Reading is hobby. Reading. What is the correct form of the verb? They blank a fantastic journey last summer. Have, had, having. Had. They had a fantastic journey last summer. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. She blank lived here for 5 years. Has, is, have. Has. She has lived here for 5 years.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.